In today's video, we are gonna show you how to be a big deal on YouTube.
Like us.
Just like us. Be like us and be a big deal on YouTube.
See, we've been studying the big YouTubers, the people that are rocking the YouTube world. And we've learned something that they don't want you to know.
Like good crusaders, like Indiana Jones, we've explored the path, we've found the secrets, and we're going to show you the holy grail on how to be a big deal on YouTube. The 5 things you need to do in your videos to be just like them. So this is free.
This is going to be free.
We need to sort this out. Another free video.
In the hope that this last ditch attempt, sign up to the Filmmaker Squad. When they see that we get value here, they'll join the Filmmaker Squad. If you want those massive view counts, those people in the comments turning up for your videos, those huge subscriber counts,
they're really important.
Look no further. We're about to share with you the top 5 secrets.
I think number 1 is obvious, really.
Most people, they're going to go, oh, why didn't I know that?
Yeah, well,
of course.
Well, that's why we're here, to show you.
It was right in front of you
the whole time. Number 1, unnecessary B-roll.
It's not going to. If you want it to happen in the edit, you're going to have to do it with a proper introduction.
What's that?
Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'm here for another video. Run the B-roll.
Ooh, that was good.
Yeah. Well, it's not going to work when I do it because it was your introduction, so I was just giving an example.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Cue the B-roll.
I've got to be honest, I know it fulfilled the purpose. It was B-roll. People expected that long drawn out intro before they come back to the video. It's how to be a big deal. We move straight on to number 2 in the list.
Exciting.
You've seen the B-roll. People love the B-roll. They turn up for the B-roll, but they especially turn up for the coffee. Boom.
What's the finger about?
It's just what we do.
Well, I mean, few points, few issues I've got with that. Firstly, I don't like coffee.
Oh no.
And secondly, you promised them coffee and you made tea. Tea doesn't have the same appeal. Tea's not coffee.
Just because
you can't do like
it's mainly American,
what
I'm trying to appeal to is the British. There should be more British YouTubers.
More people like us.
And I think the reason you're not YouTubing in Britain is because you want to drink tea.
We should start an appeal. In fact, this is your moment. This is your time to shine, mate.
Okay.
I want you to do your drink more tea appeal.
Okay. Oh, hi there. Have you been scared off of publishing videos onto YouTube? I know, I have. And then I realised all of those restless nights have really been down to my fear of drinking coffee. When deep down, I just wanted to drink tea. But it's okay. You can join us at the Filmmakers Club.
Waterman Squad.
Where we won't judge you for drinking tea in your YouTube videos. You'll be welcome here, whatever your preference.
Embrace the tea.
Did you put a ting in?
Yeah.
Let's do it again.
Embrace the tea. Despite the fact that you overpromised and underdelivered on the coffee / it's actually tea,
it's still an essential part of the list.
I get why you said it, but I'm going to say that number 3 is more important than number 2 now.
It's a difficult one. The analytics did show that coffee drinkers on YouTube are more successful.
But coffee drinkers combined with this next one are even more successful again.
Oh, it can only be one thing.
You know what it is. And that is having an electric skateboard.
you didn't run the video.
Oh, okay, sorry, that was all good. And that is office chair. This is the kind of entry-level model for new YouTubers from IKEA, about 40 quid. It's got a steel and aluminium chassis, plastic rims. We've got 5 1-inch wheels with steel bearings.
Yeah, I can see that.
So this should provide ample transport to get from A to B as a vlogger.
I mean, it's no one wheel or boosted board.
It's not, no, but you know, we're on a budget. We haven't got enough subscribers to be sponsored yet, so.
Looks more dangerous than the boosted board.
Watch.
I mean, you do look cool.
I am cool.
Let's run with the B-roll.
Drop that shit.
I mean, it was good, but can you do it with more style?
It's hard being a new YouTuber.
Is this more extreme than one wheel?
Yeah, because you get sweat on, and because you can't see where you're going, there's the danger that you're just going to fall. And you got to hold this like that. Really heavy.
I mean, it's a workaround. Electric skateboards aren't big here in the UK just yet.
Lots of hills.
And it's not just that. It's not really practical in the workplace to go around with a one wheel.
And let's be honest,
or an electric.
The other thing as well. I mean, off camera.
Yeah.
We haven't got the sponsorship yet to actually buy them.
You know, when the Filmmaker squad takes off,
Watermelon squad.
We'll get one, but we still have to do a risk assessment. First of all, there's the helmet.
Yeah.
There's the knee pads.
Right.
Elbow pads.
Yeah.
Then you need wrist guards just in case you.
Why am I falling over and not you?
I'm skilled.
You're skilled at it, are you?
Yeah.
When did you learn?
Yeah, I've been doing stuff for years.
Oh, did you go 368 and learn how to boosted board?
With Tony. Do you know Tony?
Tony?
Hawks. Yeah. Yeah.
That didn't happen, did it? Unnecessary B-roll.
Was a good one.
Was a good one. Coffee.
Which you should start every American video with, or tea in the UK.
An electric skateboard / anything with wheels that you can push yourself around on.
Makes you look cool.
Makes it look cool. So, what's the next one we combine this with?
This one's so obvious. It was in front of you all the time, and you're like, oh, I really want to do a YouTube video, but I just don't know what I need to do. Here it is, slow-mo.
Right, a few issues with slow-mo.
Yeah.
Firstly, and this is more of a private issue, we're 2 British YouTubers doing something about slow motion. I think that's been done before.
Ah, yeah. Those guys that blow up the... Oh, is that why you brought it up? Watermelon. The closing point on the list.
This is a really important one, I feel. And it has to be in combination with the 4 we've had. Otherwise, you won't be a success on YouTube.
Yeah, if you want to be a big deal, you've got to apply all of our secrets to your video.
If you want to be like us, you need to have unnecessary B-roll. You need coffee or tea if you're British. You need an electric skateboard or anything with wheels to look cool.
Yeah.
You need B-roll shot in slow motion for absolutely no reason at all.
Yeah.
Preferably 120 FPS so everything looks like it's in treacle.
Yeah.
And then you combine that with this 5th one. And that is always have a camera on you.
I'm just rocking the look though, aren't I?
Okay.
It's more about the look than anything else.
This is all about the look. If you want to be taken seriously, if you want to stand out amongst your friends as that cool guy who he might be a photographer or a YouTuber, you need to have a small bodied camera on you at all times.
If you want to be like me and part of the vlog squad, it's an essential bit of kit. I mean, I rock this look all the time.
Pete goes to the supermarket like it.
And people go, oh, wow, you look like one of those YouTubers. And I say to them, yes, I am.
It's an integral part. Make sure that in every room you go into, that the camera is the first thing that goes in front of you.
The rest of the look you're going to have to work on. It's going to take time. But on its own, the prop won't work. It won't make you a YouTuber. You're going to have to apply all 5 points. That's what we've learned going through the analytics in our deep study of the YouTube ecosystem.
It was a deep study. It took minutes.
Weeks.
It took us weeks to
A
research
long
this.
time, long time.
Yeah.
We did a lot of studying to bring you these results. And what we've learned from it is
We're not really cut out to be YouTubers.
I don't really like slow-mo that much.
No, I don't like slow-mo.
I hate the big intros.
Yeah, unnecessary B-roll really annoys me.
I like coffee, mainly in the morning.
Sometimes coffee. I mainly drink tea though, and
Yeah.
I'll be honest, Pete. I like it when you make tea, but I don't want to watch you make tea.
No.
Especially
No,
not
who
in
cares?
video.
Who cares? Oh, right, well, you've been to the loo. You don't have to vlog that.
No.
You don't have to vlog it.
Well, I mean, sometimes it's funny to vlog you in the loo. If you got this far in the video, though, I mean, congratulations.
Yeah.
You're part of an exclusive club, actually, now.
Yeah, the
Probably
club that's
one of
played into our watch time trick. We've dragged you all along this process, maintained you for the watch time, and now we're in for the big money.
Well, we don't actually get paid.
Yeah.
We're not AdSense approved, or there's no monetization. Actually, there's no sponsor, no monetization. This is just for free.
You're joking though, right?
No, you're not getting paid today.
Yeah, well, I might see you next week, I might not then.
Oh,
If that's how it's going to be, AJ. Well, there's no payday.
no payday this week. No.
Well, you can forget it.
Oh, well,
End the video yourself.
you did this just for the money. If you do want to support Pete and his ventures into filmmaking, then join the Watermelon Squad. #Watermelon Squad. It's important that you join up below, or just let us know that you appreciate his oversized watermelon head.
I'm turning this off. You're just using up the electric.
Bye!